Today, we're exploring one of the most popular forms of investment, rental properties. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, this video is your comprehensive guide to understanding and succeeding in rental property investment. So, let's get started. Investing in rental properties can be a great way to generate passive income and build wealth over time. But what does it really involve? Simply put, it's purchasing property to rent it out to tenants. You earn through monthly rent, and over time, the property can also appreciate in value. It sounds straightforward, but there's a lot to consider. The first step is choosing the right property. Location is key. Look for areas with high rental demand, like near universities, offices, or city centers. Think about the type of tenants you want to attract: students, families, professionals, and choose a property that suits their needs. Also, consider the condition of the property. While fixer-uppers might be cheaper, they could require significant investment to make them rentable. Next up is understanding the market. Understanding the rental market is crucial. Research local rental rates to ensure your property's rent is competitive. Stay informed about the local economy and real estate market trends. Are people moving to or from the area? What's the average income? All these factors influence rental demand and pricing. Be sure to research all this before starting. So how do you set the rent price? Setting the right rent is a balancing act. Price it too high and you might struggle to find tenants. Too low and you might not make enough profit. A good rule of thumb is to aim for rent that covers your mortgage payments, property taxes, and other expenses, plus a little extra. Once you've figured out the rent price, it's time to find tenants. Finding good tenants is vital. Consider conducting credit and background checks to ensure they're reliable and can pay the rent. Once you have tenants, you become a landlord, which means dealing with maintenance, repairs, and any issues that arise. It's not just about collecting rent. It's about maintaining a safe and habitable environment for your tenants. For tenants to be happy and continue renting, you need to do routine maintenance. Regular maintenance is part of the job. Set aside a fund for repairs and emergencies, and be aware of landlord-tenant laws in your area. These laws cover everything from security deposits to eviction procedures and vary widely by location. Now let's talk money. How will you finance your rental property? Options include traditional mortgages, investment property loans, or even cash payments if you're able. Each has its pros and cons, so consider speaking with a financial advisor. Also, owning a rental property comes with tax benefits. You can often deduct property taxes, mortgage interest, operating expenses, and depreciation. Again, a tax professional can offer valuable guidance. Remember, rental property investment is a journey. It takes time, research, and patience. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more financial tips. Thank you all for watching.